Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports eSIM and has the current iOS. Next, secure the carrier QR code or activation code, or open the carrier app. You'll need an internet connection. Back up your device to iCloud so you can restore if anything changes. Once done, go to Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan. This begins the import process. Follow on-screen prompts and make sure you have the carrier details handy. You scan the QR or enter the eSIM information manually when prompted, and wait for the carrier to provision the plan. Then, label the line so you can tell primary from secondary. This prevents accidental use of the wrong plan. Make sure you choose which line handles cellular data, voice, and iMessage. This affects billing and app behavior. If you travel, set roaming and data switching preferences now so the phone uses the right network automatically. You finish by restarting the iPhone and testing calls, SMS, and mobile data on the eSIM. Make sure voicemail and visual voicemail behave as expected. If activation fails, toggle airplane mode, retry the QR scan, or enter details manually. Then contact your carrier and provide the ICSID or activation code. Finally, remove or disable the physical SIM if you no longer need it, and monitor battery and network stability for the first 24 hours to catch any lingering issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.